Hey there, Treviso Bay fans. Roberto Lee with Pinnacle Property here today at Treviso Bay, and today we are previewing 9499 Napoli Lane, Unit 201. This is a coach home here at Treviso Bay, part of the bundled golf, so you get a full golf membership with this unit. It is being offered turnkey, so everything you see in this unit will come with it. This is the Verona floor plan. It's right around 2,100 square foot. It's a true 3-bedroom, 2-bath coach home. And as you walk into the front door here, you've got your stairwell leading up to all the living spaces, and then below you have access to the garage and under-stair storage. Tons of storage space right directly underneath the stairs. It wraps all the way back there. And then directly across you have it's actually a 3-car tandem garage here, where you have plenty of space on one side for 2 cars and a 3rd car towards the front garage there. All right, now coming up into this unit, we'll walk into the great room space here. So you've got this space here for your great room. To the left, you have the formal dining. And this wraps around into the kitchen space here. Full appliance package. And then you've got your eating kitchen area here, which is being utilized as a little office space here. Now, directly off the great room is the master suite. Large master. You've got the king-size bed here. Plenty of room here in the master. You've got the his and hers closets. Getting really nice size closets here. Wraps all the way back there. And then across, another really nice size closet as well. Then you've got the master bath here with the dual sinks. You've got the standalone shower, the separate soaking tub, and then you've got the water closet here. Now you've got a really nice size lanai here. The master does have sliders leading out to the lanai. This one here has the tile added. And this overlooks the lake here. And that would be your front entry of Treviso Bay over towards those palm trees here. And you do have a storm shutter here on the left, along with an added TV, some additional ceiling fans that were added as well. And last but not least, we have the guest bedrooms, which are directly across here. Really nice sized guest bedrooms. You also have the guest bath, and all of this can close off. You have a door here that you can shut this area off to. You've got the guest bath here with the combination tub and shower. You've got your laundry over in this space here. And then you've got both bedrooms. Again, really nice sized bedrooms with walk-in style closets. And then here's your other guest bedroom. You can see how much space you have in here. These are 2, what I believe to be full-size, possibly even queens, beds that are in this room. And again, you have the walk-in closet here. All right, gang, that's 9499 Napoli Lane, Unit 201. Available for sale right now, fully turnkey, so everything that you see comes with it. This is Roberto with Pinnacle Property. Thanks for watching.